You don't ever know somebody's situation. You don't really know how much money somebody has. You don't know the things that go on in other people's houses. I mean, but yet we're still trying to keep up with other people. It is flooding, flooding, flooding. We left school today at 2 because they're not sure how the roads are. I know there are 300 roads total closed in North Carolina. I do know that. And get this, right now, the roads that are closed are not necessarily down my way. I live in southeastern North Carolina where we usually have the problem with flooding. But there are more roads closed in the northern part of the state and the central and western part of the state. So that's unusual. But yes, I am not getting back out on that road. I hope we don't have to go to work tomorrow. If we do, I might just say, hey, I'm going to do virtual teaching, or I'll just take me a day, because I do not play around with water. If you've watched any of my other videos, my non-cooking videos, just go back and you will see I don't play with that. I'm no nonsense when it comes to certain things. I really am. So yes, I just hope conditions improve. Of course, around here, we don't usually know how bad the flooding is until a couple of days later. So we're talking probably Saturday or Sunday before we truly know how bad it's flooding. So that's the thing. Yep. So yeah, I just wanted to show you what we were eating today, and post Veterans Day. I hope you all had a great Veterans Day. Shout out to all the veterans. Just want you to know you are appreciated. I know some of you don't always get what you deserve as far as the assistance after you have retired, or just even assistance during your time of service. But I am praying for all of you who are in need. We just have to pray ye for one another and hope that things will get better, definitely. And right now, I want some of this rain just to pause, but it seems to be moving along. It seems to be moving, coming down. It'll stop, then stop, then start. It's just me and my son this evening. My husband's gone. Our neighbors, one of our neighbors died, actually, and he's really close to her son, so he's gone to, I didn't want to get out on the road, even riding with others when it's raining. That freaks me out, y'all, because this rain is not normal rain. It's coming down hard rain, like storm rain. And so I decided I would just remember her as I saw her last. And when I see her son, I'm trying to get a card together and put a few dollars in it. And so that's just the way things are. And also my son, one of his classmates, was killed yesterday. It was just a single car accident. No one was in the vehicle. It flipped. I guess there was high speed involved, and it flipped. And so we have to pray for that family. It's just so much going on. There are others that have died that we know. Of course, you can expect that. Everybody has his or her day, so to speak. But you do have to enjoy life while you're here, definitely. So I just wanted to chat with you. No recipe today. I did show you a little something in the crock pot, though. Just wanted you all to know that we're safe here in this part of North Carolina. Usually when there's rain involved, we're, meaning people in southeastern North Carolina, are the ones getting the most. But it seems like there are others in the northern part of the state that might be getting more, and that is unusual. So yeah, you all have a great Thursday evening. Don't forget, y'all, my name is Krista, Krista. That I might need to vlog that another time, but when I remember being, well, even now, some people will add an L sound to my name. My name is Krista, Krista. Yes, I'm picky about it because I know what my name is. Krista. Krista. How many of you are guilty of adding an L to that? I bet some of you might know another Krista, and you probably add an L to it. Okay, y'all, I'm looking at this. My daughter lives in Fayetteville. My youngest daughter lives in Fayetteville, and I'm always looking at Fayetteville, North Carolina news. And it says deadly home invasion. I hate to see that kind of stuff. I just hate to see that kind of thing. People are so desperate. They're desperate for money. They're desperate for drugs. They're desperate for what others have. And you don't even know how that person got what they have. They might have gotten it dishonestly or pulling it, or I don't know. And you know what? Speaking of that, there are people who don't know how I was able to get the car that I have, which, the car that I have being the 2017 Altima that my oldest daughter bought me. Yeah, but that's another vlog. But you don't ever know somebody's situation. You don't really know how much money somebody has. You don't know the things that go on in other people's houses. But yet we're still trying to keep up with other people. We're still trying to keep up. Y'all, I'm on my soapbox. Let me get off this soapbox. I will try to write some of that stuff down and we will talk about that another time. But yeah, I mainly wanted you all to know that it's raining cats and dogs here in North Carolina. But that doesn't change things. It's food. Food. Some chicken and rice cooking. Now, when my husband fixes chicken and rice, his is typically more of a casserole, I guess. Mine is more of a, it's not a soup, but it has a more liquid than his. I won't call it rice. I won't call it chicken and rice soup. I would just call it just normal chicken and rice with a little juice to it. But I don't mind eating either way. Either way is fine. But yeah, so that's what we got cooking. And typically what he puts in, and I myself too, chicken and rice, butter, and seasonings. So his seasonings are slightly different from mine. But yeah, we usually cook it on low or pretty much throughout the day, 6-7 hours. And then we put the rice in it like that last hour. And it's usually pretty good. Along with it, we've got some yams. My husband's been putting white potatoes in with the sweet potatoes, and it tastes yummy to me. So this is what we've got going today. So when I do fix it next time myself, I will do a video for you all. Hello.
Did your lights go out?
Yeah, they flashed out.
Oh, your mom and I said, why? My phone has been right since the lights come back on. So call my house number. I done changed my other phone to the first one I had, because it kept saying new line. It didn't say new line.
Yeah, I know our internet is messed up too. Our phone is not, because we get the phone and the internet through Star. Our phone is not messed up, but our internet is. And it's ever since the lights went out and came back on, It might be a lot of water though, that could be it.
I got them close the button. But it's
call your house phone. You said call your house phone?
Yeah, see, I done put my other phone in there now. The first one I got from U.S. Cellular. But it's still saying new line. So that might be why it is.
Yeah, because I remember one time we had that problem with it being so much water. All right, let me call it.
All right.
Okay, y'all, give me a minute. Let me call my mama's phone. Yeah, we don't have the internet right now, and my mom's phone is what it is. It's not doing right.
forwarded to an automatic voice.
So a drug use for OCD people might help COVID? Wow, who would have thought?
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic.
Yeah, y'all. Look at North Carolina. We still haven't declared. We still don't know who our electoral points go to as far as president. Wait, you know what? Before I get on that, that's another vlog too. There's so much there.
Well, I'm gonna put the other neck on, neck of wood, and I'm gonna by in the morning if it don't be working.
Then you call, yeah.
Call who?
You're a sailor, right?
They can't do nothing. We're gonna have to go get another phone. I got done the phone.
Oh, okay.
So this ain't the last. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah.
Yeah. See, the last one I got the phone, I had to go to Walmart to get one like the one I got from US Cellular.
Right, I got you.
Go to US Cellular.
Right. Oh, okay. All right.
I'll go one back up. All right then. Thank you.